In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your Epic Games install location step by step so you can choose a different folder or drive before installing your game. This is super helpful if your main drive is running low on space, or if you simply want to keep your games organized on another SSD or hard drive. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Alright, let's get into it. First, open the Epic Games launcher on your computer and sign in if you're not already logged in. Once the launcher loads, head over to the library section on the left side. This is where all of your available games and installs are listed, so this is the best place to begin. Now, find the game you want to install. You can either browse through your library or use the search option if you have a long list of games. When you find the game, click on it to open the install options. From there, click the install button. This is the important part. Before you confirm the installation, Epic Games will give you the option to choose where the game should be installed. Instead of accepting the default folder, look for the install location or folder option. Click that, and then select the new drive or folder you want to use. You can choose a different location on your system, such as another hard drive, another SSD, or a custom game folder you've already created. Once you've selected the new install location, double check that it's the right folder. This helps avoid confusion later, especially if you install a lot of games. After that, click install again to confirm your choice. Epic Games will then begin downloading the game to the new location you selected. If you ever want to change the install location for another game, just repeat the same process. Go back to your library, select the game, click install, choose the new folder, and confirm. It only takes a few seconds once you know where to look. And that's it. You've now changed the Epic Games install location and can control exactly where your games are stored. This is a simple way to manage disk space and keep your setup clean and organized. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.